Hey everybody, it's Wvgunsngoats and we're back with another video. This time we're building the dueling tree from Spartan Armor Systems. Inside this dueling tree box you'll find, well, depending on what paddle kit, you'll get 4, 6, or 8 of these paddles. And then a corresponding amount of these pieces of tubing that the paddles will sit inside. And then you'll get a jig to space those paddles out. Okay, for the 8 paddle kit, you'll also need an 84-inch piece of 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch angle iron. And this is what your paddle holders get welded to. And this is my welding helmet. It's actually a really nice Lincoln Electric auto darkening. It's got a very large viewing window and it's really fast on the auto darkening. I'm going to have an Amazon affiliate link below to the kit that includes this helmet and some other goodies to start welding. If you guys follow it and pick one of these up, you're going to help the channel out, help us grow, and continue to bring you quality content. This is the titanium MiG 170 from Harbor Freight. All right, so our jig hooks over the end there and is going to space out our very first plate holder. So we're going to take and we're going to put this right there, spaced out from the end. Take our jig away. All right, so to space out the rest of them, just take your jig there, take that off. Welding that might cause it to lift. Might have to hammer it back down. It's always good to have a clamp here. Clamp that down. Okay, so I would only recommend tacking this top at first so that your jig sits flush up against both sides there. And what better color to go with those yellow paddles than JD green. Now I think there's a song about that color, but I ain't gonna sing it for you. All right, we'll wait for that to dry. All right, well, we tested it with one of my 9mm carbines and it held together fine so far. We'll have to see how it holds together with rifle caliber rounds. I thank you for joining me on this video for the Spartan Armor Systems DIY Weld Together Kit. It took about 3 to 4 hours to finish. A nice afternoon project, and you end up with a great target. Guys, this has been WV Guns and Goats, and if you ain't out having fun shooting, what are you doing?